We all know exercise is key for a healthy body and mind. But did you know that what you eat is just as important as how you move? It's true. The food you eat fuels your workouts, helps build muscle, and speeds up recovery. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. To function at its best, it needs the right fuel. Imagine trying to run a car on empty. It just won't work. Same goes for your body. Without the right nutrients, you won't have the energy to train effectively. Plus, you won't see the results you're working so hard for. Eating right isn't about boring diets. It's about enjoying delicious, nutritious food that makes you feel amazing. This essay will break down the best foods for fitness. We'll discuss why they're important and how to include them in your diet. Get ready to learn how to fuel your fitness journey the right way. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. It's like the brick and mortar that helps your body recover after a tough workout. When you exercise, you create tiny tears in your muscles. Protein helps repair these tears, making your muscles stronger and more resilient. Great sources of protein include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish. Eggs are another fantastic option, packed with protein and essential nutrients. Don't forget about plant-based sources like beans, lentils, and tofu. Aim to include protein in every meal: a chicken breast with veggies for lunch, a lentil soup for dinner, or a Greek yogurt with berries for a snack. By ensuring you're getting enough protein, you'll support muscle growth, improve recovery, and boost your overall fitness levels. For years, fat was demonized in the world of nutrition. But the truth is, healthy fats are absolutely crucial for optimal health and fitness. They provide long-lasting energy, support hormone production, and help your body absorb essential vitamins. Think of healthy fats as your body's internal lubrication system. They keep things running smoothly. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are all excellent sources of healthy fats. Don't be afraid to add a drizzle of olive oil to your salad, snack on a handful of almonds, or enjoy avocado on whole wheat toast. These fats will keep you feeling full and energized, support your workouts, and benefit your overall health. Carbohydrates are your body's primary source of energy. They're like the fuel that keeps your engine running. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into glucose, which is then used for energy during your workouts. Opt for complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and whole grain bread. These provide sustained energy release, preventing those dreaded sugar crashes. Incorporate complex carbs into your meals and snacks. Enjoy a bowl of oatmeal with berries before a morning workout, or have a sweet potato with your dinner. By choosing the right carbohydrates, you'll have the energy you need to power through your workouts and recover effectively. Section 5. Vegetables, vitamins, minerals, and fiber for optimal performance. Vegetables are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They support overall health, boost your immune system, and aid in digestion. Think of vegetables as your body's pit crew, providing the essential nutrients it needs to perform at its best. Broccoli, spinach, kale, carrots, and peppers are just a few examples of the amazing variety of vegetables available. Aim to fill half your plate with vegetables at each meal. Roast them, sauté them, or enjoy them raw in salads. The more colorful your plate, the wider range of nutrients you'll consume. Section 6. Greens, powerhouse nutrients for athletes. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and romaine lettuce are particularly beneficial for athletes. They're packed with antioxidants which help protect your body from damage caused by exercise. Think of greens as your body's natural detoxifiers, helping to flush out toxins and reduce inflammation. They're also rich in iron, a mineral that's essential for transporting oxygen throughout the body. Add a handful of spinach to your smoothies, sauté kale with garlic for a delicious side dish, or enjoy a big green salad with a variety of colorful vegetables. Section 7. Hydration, the cornerstone of performance and recovery. Water is absolutely essential for life and plays a crucial role in athletic performance. It helps regulate body temperature, transports nutrients, and flushes out waste products. Imagine your body as a complex irrigation system. Water is the lifeblood that keeps everything flowing smoothly. When you're dehydrated, your performance suffers, you're more prone to cramping, and your recovery is hindered. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. Carry a reusable water bottle with you as a reminder to stay hydrated. You can also opt for low-sugar sports drinks if you're engaging in intense or prolonged exercise. Section 8. Eat for fitness, practical tips for a healthier you. Eating for fitness doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some practical tips to fuel your body the right way. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. Choose fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains over processed snacks and sugary drinks. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger cues and eat when you're hungry, stopping when you're satisfied. Meal prep. Prepare your meals in advance to ensure you have healthy options readily available, especially during busy weeks. Hydrate consistently. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip on water throughout the day. Don't be afraid to indulge occasionally. It's okay to enjoy your favorite treats in moderation. The key is balance and consistency. By making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits, you can fuel your fitness journey, improve your overall health, and feel your absolute best. Remember, food is fuel, and what you put into your body directly impacts your performance, recovery, and overall well-being.